Make sure I'm good, because I plan on taking it to work tomorrow. Yeah, nice sunny day. As I said, I'm out here just trying to get a little test. Make sure I can see this. Yeah. Right now they're filming a movie in the neighborhood. That's why the police are in front of me right now. I think it's for the TVC meets Power. I don't know if y'all know about that. But anyway, it's shot in Yonkers and some parts in Mount Vernon, just because of the old 80s look of the neighborhood. At least that's what I believe. Don't listen to me. Anyway, nice day out. Gear my first. No bueno. Let's get it up one notch. And I'll have what? Front cameras on. No good. Let's get the rear ones on. There we go. Alright, now we're good. Turn music on in a second. Just want to make sure these motors are good. Good old classic town. One thing about New York City, stoplight after stoplight. It's like every block. Understand there's a lot of traffic, pedestrian safety, but man, I can't get a chance to make a move. Now, I don't want to ride illegal. I just want to feel this out. It's not too illegal. I know me already. Where am I going? I don't know. To the Bronx somewhere. Yeah. Need to do the same thing I did to the back brakes, to the front brakes. Every year I have to bleed the brakes or add fluid. Come on, what are you waiting on? Fuck. Yeah, let me turn on my lights. Maybe they didn't see that. Actually, I'm gonna turn on all my lights. Just ran out the house, just grabbed up everything. I said, you know what, let me grab the camera too. Just in case I run into some issues, I get to record it. So far, a couple minutes in, all good. When the weather's like this, it's a perfect riding day. 80 degrees. Feels good on the skin. Do I have my deck on? Yeah, I do. Turn the radio on in a second. The Android Auto Maps overrides everything, so I was trying to keep it off, but it wasn't working. I gotta take it off with my phone, and I don't feel like getting into it. Just that I can't see behind me, which sucks. Spend It'll stay on there for a second and then switch right back off. It's like a temporary thing. Maybe it's a safety thing built into Android Auto. So sometimes when I don't have my music on, well, I gotta set up everything prior to hitting record. I messed up this time, sorry guys. It is what it is. Bumpy road. This is exactly what I need to test. That was nice and bumpy. Lose no power. Let's go. Alright, so far so good. No lag, no fade or nothing. I don't feel anything crazy. I think I did a good job. The soldering wasn't too bad. I did mess up the motor wire soldering. Well, not really mess up, but could have done it a lot better. And will do it better the next time. I'll show it in the video what I did and what I could do better next time. I don't know if I have the GPS on. I think I do. I'll see when I get home. That thing been acting silly too. All because I have so much things connected to the phone. So one tries to override the other. Not cool. More than just I was on the damn thing. All this shit. I'm pissed off. Alright, the wires are not rubbing, nothing crazy. Back road. Get off of White Plains Road. Alright, so far that rear view camera is staying on. See how long that goes. Still recording. 11 minutes in. Switch this a little bit. Yeah, I'll take it back. I'll go somewhere different this time. All right. So with this done right now, I have to do the rear quick disconnects, and then that project is done. Then I'll move on to the 180 millimeter rotors. I'll do that project. That takes a little bit of customization too, and that might help people that's interested in going up in size on their rotors as well, because there's an issue where if I go up in rotors without customizing it, I can't touch. Touch the wheel, so you gotta kind of move the brake rotor out. So I got a technique that I don't know who else have done this technique, but it should work. And then right after that will be my what's next? Oh, will be the dual stabilizer. Then that's it. I have nothing else to do except for electronics. You know. After that. Ooh, that's a big problem. I didn't adjust the display to show 11 inches. So right now it might be displaying a mile per hour, like 2 miles per hour over what it should actually be saying. I'll do that when I get into. Where am I going? I don't know. What's my battery? Yeah, I got some battery. Should be at about 62 volts. Let's see if we can switch this station without frigging everything up. Okay, let's go to DJ Khaled Radio, see what he got going on right now. I think I heard this before. This way is over. Yes. I haven't ridden in a while. I feel like a rookie. What's a while? 4 or 5 days. Feel like that. Exhilarating ride, man. Never been on a scooter like these. 60 volts or better. You need to get on one. It's something different. I mean, if you're a motorcycle rider, you know what it is. This is kind of different. This feels like having a motorcycle but standing on the gas tank with an extended handle. I'll try that. Tell me how that feels. Got a lot of stairs. Got the camera on, full gear. I'm the only fucking person.
Heart just turned purple, 360 up front, it all comes full circle. Class photograph, Sandy had me on my Urkel. Patty Mahomes about to fall short a couple.
That was the 5 train station I just rode on, the number 5 line. The end of the line right there. What's that? Manchester Avenue. That's the end of the Bronx 5 train line. As I said, the Bronx border is where I'm from. And I border like 2 other cities, so that's why you see a lot of my videos like one city to the next city. Come on, Tesla driver. And you got your indicators. What are you doing?
Dropped them off at school, big day for my little man.
Still got his indicators on. Thanks.
Yeah, teacher parameters, wild, they googly eyed. if I know Beyonce and Nicki Minaj. Of course. Pull up to the front of the fleet of Suburbans.
Going straight. Android Auto finally took over. It's like, eesh. So I don't like it when it's on. It just takes over the rear view. When I'm city riding, I need my rear view on. These gloves that I have aren't the best for touching the touch screen up. It is what it is. So far, test is good anyway. Split disconnects, soldering works. Yeah, back to the soldering, yeah. So anybody that want to do it, it's pretty easy with any scooter you have to put the quick disconnects, and that helps with changing flat tires. That's the reason why I did it. Because normally you'd have to route my wires back out through the deck, up and out, underneath the neck of the scooter to completely take the wheel out in order to change it. That's too much, man. Go on YouTube, you see, well, you're already on YouTube. Go check out all the videos and see how rough times people have changing their tires. It's gonna be a busy day on the road too. On a ride like this, especially around here. Bike lane sucks. Bike lane / bus lane. What type of bullshit is that? Nice move, man. Let me through. Let me through. Completely turned off my music and everything. Nice suspension, oh man. I really love this build, guys, honestly. And if I get another scooter, I'm gonna definitely hook it up. I got the Go Truck that I have to pretty much do, but I haven't even finished this yet. Might sell the Go Tracks, the camera and everything on it, who knows? Just to make up some money, take care of this. So good job. All right, so that means I can probably go